A sensational Croatia mauled Lionel Messi's Agrentina in a breathtaking encounter in Nizhny Novgorod orchestrated by captain Luka Modric. Messi and Argentina had endured a difficult start to the tournament, being held to a draw against Iceland in their opening game at Otkritie Arena in Moscow, in which captain Messi missed a penalty during a 1-1 draw. In Nizhny Novgorod, just 4 hours by train from Russia's capital, it was Croatia who started the brightest, perhaps buoyed by the knowledge that the South Americans could become frustrated if faced with the same tactical rigidity employed by the Vikings. But Croatia, drawing on the attacking flair available to them in the ranks, were much more fluid going forward. Chelsea's Mario Pasalic twice went close, and as did Mario Mandzukic before Argentina had a chance to get into their natural groove. The Balkan nation were not afraid to get physically involved, and several players went down under rough challenges, causing apoplectic reactions from Argentina coach Jorge Sampaoli on the sidelines. When Argentina did get hold of the ball, they were guilty of some sloppy defending that saw them concede against Iceland. Nevertheless, the two teams went into the break level. After the restart, Croatia began with much of the intent they had started with from kickoff, and it paid dividends when Ante Rebic closed down a back pass to keeper Willy Caballero. The Albiceleste keeper panicked and attempted to dink the ball over the onrushing Croatia winger, but the ball fell straight into striking distance, and the 24-year-old obliged, firing acrobatically over Caballero and into the net. Croatia had not only drawn first blood, but HTEY could smell it also, when Argentina again lost the ball in midfield. A pass found Modric in acres of space 30 yards out. The Croatian captain turned Benjamin Otamendi one way, then another, then unleashed a right-footed rocket that left Caballero no chance as the ball flew into the left hand of the goal to double Croatia's lead. Details to follow.